Here are 5 compelling applications for drone LiDAR. Number 1. Digital twin creation and maintenance. Drone LiDAR can quickly facilitate the creation of digital twins to evaluate infrastructure and asset management through remote digital inspections, saving valuable time, resources, and money. Number 2. Land surveying and mapping. LiDAR sensors can be attached to drones to quickly, accurately, and cost-effectively generate 3D digital terrain models of remote or rough areas. Drone surveying equipment can be the right tool for covering specific land areas in situations where a manned aircraft is overkill. Drones are easier and faster to deploy than airplanes or helicopters, reducing costs and risk. Number 3. Power line inspection. Regular maintenance of power lines presents huge safety hazards. Drone LiDAR technology is capable of identifying issues in power lines before they become a problem. Through the use of drone surveying equipment, utility companies can quickly assess damage to devise a solution that has the lowest level of risk. Number 4. Forestry and farming. Drone LiDAR can be deployed to survey large farms to help determine how resources might be used to increase productivity. They can also be used over forest areas to create 3D models that show the impact of human activity. A key advantage of LiDAR is that it can penetrate tree cover. Number 5. Mining applications. Drone LiDAR proves to be an excellent instrument for calculating volumes of material in open-pit mines without disrupting work on the ground. Integrating drones into mining workflows cuts time, cost, and risk exposure. Do you have a project that requires geospatial data collection? Then talk with one of our sales experts to see how you can start applying drone surveying equipment. Click the link in the description or visit microdrones.com.